if you're stuck, if you're struggling, if you're being dismantled, if you feel like your life is getting pulled out from underneath you, I say, congratulations. Like, what a fucking opportunity that is. You are being given an opportunity to look at yourself and reconstruct your life from the ground up. Not everybody gets that opportunity, and it holds the potential energy to create something entirely new if you're willing to respect it and give it the attention it deserves. When you're in that place, it can feel like you're going to be there forever. But if you devote yourself to that path of self-understanding and you respect the struggle, I'm convinced that no problem is unsolvable, because I've seen thousands of lives transformed over the years.